text back. I'm trying to cooperate. I'm trying my best to cooperate. But this is what they do to you. This is not correct. Sorry. I'm just worried about my family. They just take you away in the middle of the night when the more decent thing to do was to like tell you like during business hours. What do they want? They just want you to go with you? They just want them to sumama ka na lang? Then they will do what they want with you? Tama ba yan?
Grabe, nangyari sa bayan natin. Madaling araw. Madaling araw, kukunin ka nila.
I don't understand. I really don't understand. So,
Jason, do you have follow-up?
Okay na ako, Sir Jace. Thank you po.
Any other from the OVP? Dempsey, Inquirer?
Jace,
do you have...
ma'am, good morning, I guess. Tanong ko lang, ma'am, tama ba 9 na tao ang pumasok dyan sa detention cell nyo at 12 midnight?
Pumasok sila. And then when they were reading, sabi ko, bakit? Gabi na, oras na nang matutulog kami. And I said, they just want to read me something. And I said, no, you cannot. Kasi patulog na kami. It's already 12 o'clock in the evening. And then pumasok na sila one by one. Isa may camera, isa yung parang taga-sergeant at arms. And then iba may mga police, male and female. I'm not sure if it's 9, but it's certainly more than me. I am just by myself with my companion here. And then, I don't understand. Parang ganun ba yun? Ganun ba ang nangyayari sa bansa natin? They just parang badger and go to your room and then demand you to go with them? What if I didn't know that I had to get a lawyer? So I demanded, I said, I am not leaving this room until my lawyer comes. But they were insistent. Sinabi nila sila daw yung lawyer, sumama daw kami. They can process the entire thing on the way from me to Mandaluyong. I don't trust these people because they do not respect my rights. What kind of country is this?
Follow-up lang, ma'am. Were you able to communicate now with the...
Diba? Ang mga ordinaryong tao, they just treat like that? That is not correct.
Okay. Follow-up lang, ma'am. Were you able to, or anyone from your party, were able to communicate with Congressman Joel Chua? The chairperson, siya yung signatory, I believe, doon sa order na yon. Kay Congressman Joel Chua, ma'am. Yes, ako. Were you able to communicate with them or anyone from his office?
No, not yet, because I got really scared. Kasi I think anytime now they will parang break this door and just take me away.
Guys, let me break this lang. Kakatingin ko lang ng mga meeting friends sa labas. Lockdown ng HOR, ayaw magpapasok ng media.
Grabe.
I am just a regular government employee. All these years. Nagtatrabaho lang naman po ako. I don't even respect your rights. I do not understand what kind of country is this. I'm so scared because I'm sure they're going to break that door anytime now. Alam nyo, ginawa ko, tilagay ko yung country, yung double deck ng bed, pinush ko sa door para hindi sila makapasok. I'm so scared.
Kapal ng mga mukha ng mga putang ina nyo talaga. Grabe.
I came back from the US. I attended the hearing. doing it in good faith. I answered all their questions. Hindi ako nanggulo. I think I was very, respectful in answering all their questions to the very best of my ability. Ang sabi nila sa akin, nag-MR lang daw ako, which I did. It's my right. Ang sinabi ko, na parang talaga naman I really answered to the best of my ability, and I attended that in good faith. And they said, mag-MR ka, we will let you go. So we filed our MR. They did not rule on it, but suddenly they were able to come out with an order ruling to transfer me to the Women's Correctional.
Sinabi nila sa iyo, yung contempt. Diba? Sinabi nila sa iyo, isip namin yung contempt, i-produce mo yung atas.
Sabi nila sa akin, if you notice if you were in the hearing, di ba, sinuspend po ng Chairman Chua yung session. Tapos, nung sinight na po ako ni Congressman Castro in contempt, then after that, nag-rule sila. Tapos, and then sinuspend niya. Tapos lumapit po sila, nag-huddle sila, and then they called my lawyer, and then told him na kausapin ko. So lumapit ako, and I really apologized. I said, that letter to the Commission on Audit was really a position of the agency. It is our stand. Like all, di ba, like, meron kang points na gusto mo i-raise. We respectfully parang raised our points to the Commission on Audit. Alam ko, hindi naman po yung mali kasi that was our right as an agency. Because there was an ongoing audit investigation. Pero hindi naman namin kinukuha yung right ng COA to decide on the matter. But even if sinabi ko, alam ko, hindi po mali yun. They said na parang we were, trying to undermine. So I apologized. And I was gave an apology to Congressman Castro. But they said, sabi nila sa akin, alam mo, i-produce mo na lang yung apat. I-produce mo yung apat. So I said, Congressman, hindi naman po ang pag-attend po ng hearing is a personal choice. I will only do my best. And then they said na parang, no, parang ano ka pa naging chief of staff kung hindi mo naman kaya i-produce yan. I-produce mo sila. And I said, may rights din naman po yung mga tao, di ba? I can only, as chief of staff, tell them to go. Di ba? Go. But if ayaw po nilang sumama, I do not have that power over them because people have rights. If they want to, join a hearing or not. But that's what they said. Tapos and then, yun yung sinabi ko, because I really cannot commit to make them attend. Because it's a personal choice. Like me, I chose to come back and attend. Diba? So, and then after that, nag-public apology na ako before the session was diba, suspended. Nag-public apology din ako kay Congressman Castro, and I made it, parang I raised again to please lift that order because wala naman talaga intention ng Office of the Vice President, to undermine either the Commission on Audit or the House of Representatives in their powers. That was not the point. But nung nilalabas na po ako, hinabol na naman nila. Hinabol nila kami. And then they said, i-produce mo yung apat. I-produce mo yung apat. But I cannot do that. People have rights. Diba? I cannot decide for other people what they want to do. Yun na yun sa akin. This is what they do to you. In the middle of the night, they just move you out of nowhere. How can I produce people, diba? How can I do that? I can only produce myself, and which I have done. Wala naman ang nangyayari sa bansa na to. Wala nang batay.
VP Media, are you still there? Anyone gusto ko magtanong kay ma'am?
Ma'am, Red Mendoza po ulit from Manila Times. Ma'am, sorry, I know you're very much, ngayon, in a very emotional mood right now. Pero ma'am, I want to ask lang po, do you think po ba na the order to move you to correctional was, yun nga po, I'd like to reiterate this again kasi kanina po nandyan po sa house si Kong Joel, si SAA Naptaas, and also so do you think po ba nangyari po itong decision na to while they were at the House of Representatives talking to media na pakiramdam nila would na baka dahil nga the Vice President is there, she's high security, it's now time to move you out of to correctional para mawala si BP dyan sa house?
Siserve nila sa'yo in the middle of the night? What is that? Is that even right? Wala na pong batas, ma'am. Wala na pong batas sa bansang ito.
Opo, maraming salamat, Attorney Laika.
Ma'am Hana?
Strong po.
Ma'am Hana?
Opo.
Ma'am Hana? I was just informed by the OVP Legal, nasa labas po sila ng HOR gate, pero ayaw din silang papasukin.
Oh my. Oh.
Sabi na PNP sa labas, I'm sure they're just going to break down that door. They're all outside, but I'm not leaving this room. I am not leaving this room. I have my rights. I am not leaving this room.
Hello, good morning from Canada. Pwede magtanong?
Yes, sir. You can proceed.
Sir GC, salamat. Salamat din kay Dr. Lauren Baday na binigyan ako ng link. Attorney, bakit biglaan yung desisyon na yan na ilipat? Anong nag-trigger talaga?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko po alam, sir. I cannot answer. I just know that I was served that in the middle of the night. They demanded to get my phone. We don't have a phone. That's why we're calling from this laptop, like the Viber. We're calling the lawyer from here. Because I didn't have a phone to contact anyone.
Oh my God.
Why would they do that to you, diba? Am I like an accused? Did I, murder anyone? Just a regular government employee. I don't understand.
Thank you, attorney. Nandito lang kami, attorney, sa Montreal. Nag-aabang kami, nagbabantay. Kahit nasa malayo kami.
Thank you.